Hey everyone, my name is Andrew and I'm super excited because Anker just sent me one of their huge mystery boxes. I won this from a Facebook group contest, and shout out to all the admins and moderators. I know Travel Diva and Juliet and all the other moderators that are on there and admins. Anyway, this box is modeled after their TB5 docking station, which is one of the most capable and powerful docking stations that's on the market. If you want to check that out, there'll be a link in the description. But look at this thing. This is an awesome design. It's modeled right after that docking station. It's got like visual representation of what's on the actual dock. So you've got your USB and Ethernet ports and all that kind of stuff. Yeah, this is an awesome design. We'll see what's in the box, and I haven't opened it, so we'll find out together. To give you a little perspective of the size, this doesn't even fit on my desk with the monitor riser. This thing is just massive, and it's got all kinds of different stuff in it from what I've heard. This is a Mac Mini, and this literally is just, it will take up not even a quarter of the size of this thing. So awesome packaging. It really did a nice job of packaging. This is like a hard plastic on the top. This is kind of see-through here with a silver box. Really nice packaging. I love this. So without further ado, let's see what's in it. And the first thing we have is this pamphlet here. It's got a card basically saying that this is a cool thing to unbox. Literally says it's a cool thing to unbox. Also has just kind of some words about Anker, but really nice packaging here with the little Anker logo. So for the first layer, let's see. And we've got all the things that could be in this, box. So you have their prices. So from what it looks like, the docking station or the power bank actually, I think, is the most expensive things on this list. But despite what the price is, I think that I'm going to be excited about whatever is in this box. So let's check it out. Let's see what's in here. So the first thing here, this is an Anker charging USB-C to USB-C, 240 watt fast charging. So that is really probably now the fastest cable that I own. Awesome. Let's see what this is. Awesome, magnetic SD card reader. So this actually goes into your phone and you can record straight to the SD cards. That's really helpful. I'm actually recording on my phone right now, and I always have to sync to photos and then move it over. That's always annoying. So something to plug in an SD card straight to your phone is going to be awesome. You can also take advantage of the ProRes for iPhones. Let's see. This, I have a feeling, this is heavy. I believe this is the dock. Yes, tablet stand. So this is going to be awesome. It'll take USB-C, so it'll take more than just a tablet, but this stand is awesome. If you haven't seen it before, it's got a nice rubber so it stays on the desk really nicely. It's nice here and won't scratch the back of your tablet. Super solid, really will keep it at any angle. I've heard you can even use laptops with this, so that's going to be nice. SD card, power in, USB-C, HDMI out, USB-C and USB-A and a headphone jack. So that's a very nice stand. Awesome. All right, I think this is the charger. Full disclosure, I've watched some videos before, and This is usually a charger, 65 watts, but we'll see. Oh, this is, oh yes, nice. I have been wanting one of these for so long. I didn't think it was gonna come in this box. Usually like in YouTube, if you search for it, it's usually the little power brick. Oh man, this is awesome. This is 200 watt out, 20,000 milliamp power bank. This is from Anker Prime. I've been wanting one of these since they came out. This is super exciting. It shows like the input output. This is going to be great for traveling and working from home, working remote. Nice. I'm super excited to get that. All right, so we have a second layer, and let's see, 4 more things. If that wasn't enough, you still have 4 more things. There's a whole second layer to this. So let's check it out. What is it? I'm beyond excited for that. The rest of this won't even matter, but it's still gonna be great, but I mean, it's just super exciting. Let's see, Series 5. This is a USB hub. This must be the portable one that I can use with my laptop and an iPad if I get one. Awesome. What is this? HDMI switch. Perfect. That'll support 4K HDR. Awesome. 2 in, 1 out. So this is good for if you're switching sources from say your computer and your tablet, or in my case, I'll probably use this because we use 1 cable for my Apple TV and 1 cable for the Nintendo Switch. So this will make it easy. You just press the button. And the kids can do that instead of having to get the remote and fumbling through it. So that's going to be super helpful. This is a magnet cable holder. Right, this is good for organization. I don't know if it would have to be open, but this is good for cable organization. So you clip your cables onto it, you can put it on your desk. You see, I'm a very minimal kind of desk setup, so something to keep my cables organized is going to be definitely game changer there. And last thing, very nice packaging. Again, Anker Prime. So let's see what this is. This is a USB-C hub 5-in-1 4K HDMI. Is that similar to the other one? Here's the model. Oh yeah, this is the 4-in-1 hub USB-C. So again, thank you very much to Anker. Thank you to all the moderators on the Facebook groups. I'll post some pictures here. If you haven't already checked out the Facebook groups, you definitely should. Enter into all the contests, definitely be active, post your experience with Anker. Everything almost went to the floor. We're doing this live. Just post all the stuff that you find. Even if you don't think it's interesting, someone else will think it's interesting. So post it up there and just check out the groups. Thanks again to Anker and all the moderators and admins.